Good morning students, welcome to math class. Students, today we will study about equivalent fraction. As the word you can understand, equal, okay, means the same. So now with the help of diagram I'll explain you what are equivalent fraction. See students, right now this is one circle, this is another circle. So in first circle I have divided into two equal parts, okay. So how to write the fraction for the shaded part? So number of shaded part means 1 and the total number of parts. So how many parts you will see means the divided part 2. So I will write 1 by 2. Similarly for here, total number of shaded part 1, 2, 3. So numerator will be 3 and the total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now students, whether they are equivalent or not? Yes, they are equivalent, because if I am going to reduce 3 by 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, you will get the same value 1 by 2. Okay, so equivalent fraction का mean ही होता है same. Means if you want to make equivalent number, equivalent fraction, so you can do it by multiplying or dividing the number. Okay, so this is what equivalent fraction. In your 5C exercise, you will see state the equivalent fraction show by the shaded portion in the following diagrams. Now second one, you will see one square here, one square here. The first square is divided into 9 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what will be the fraction? Shaded part 3, 1 2 3, and unshaded part total 9. Here 1 2 3, total parts 3 and shaded part is 1, so 1 by 3. So if I am going to reduce 3 by 9, so 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. Reduce means to write the number or to write the fraction in its smallest form, means we cannot divide it anymore. वो स्टेट कि जब वो नंबर दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड होना बंद हो जाए सेम नंबर से, तो दैट इज रिड्यूस. So both are same, hence they are equivalent. Like this is equivalent and this is also equivalent. Okay, now find two equivalent fraction for each given fraction. You have to find two equivalent fraction for each given fraction. The very first question is 5 by 20. Students, when you have to write down the equivalent fractions, see, you can write down, first you can reduce this number 5 by 20. So 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, so 1 by 4 is the equivalent. Now if you want, you can multiply with 2 with the numerator as well as with the denominator. If we will not multiply with the 2, if we will not multiply with 2 in numerator and denominator, the question will remain the same. The fraction will be 5 by 20. So agar if we will multiply with 2 in numerator as well as in denominator, there will be no change. So 5 into 2 10, 20 into 4 2 40. So answer will be the same. If you want, you can multiply with 3 in numerator as well as in denominator. As I told you, if you will hide this, the answer will remain same. See, agar if we will cut 3 and 3, it will be same. 5 by 20 into 1, 5 by 20, there will be no change. So if we are multiplying and dividing with the same number, there will be no change. So if you want 5 by 20 into 3 into 3, so 15 by 60. It's not like that ki whatever the answers given in your book will be the right answer. If you want, you can multiply with the same number, like you can multiply with 4 in numerator as well as in denominator. So you cannot stick with only one answer. Okay, so like this you will find the equivalent fraction of any number. Now the fourth question is in your book, find the missing number that makes the fraction equivalent. Find the missing number that makes the fraction equivalent. So you have to find the missing number. So you can see 2 by 7 written over here, and here denominator is given but numerator is not given. So in this case students, what you will do? You will multiply with that number, see, in which you will get the answer. How to multiply? See, if you will multiply with 7 into 5, so you will get 35. अगर आप यहाँ 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपका 35 आ रहा है. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर भी 5 से ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा. तो 5 to the 10. So like this you will find the number. So this is 10, this is 35. You have to check. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में से एक दिया है तो यू हैव टू चेक कि किससे मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करके वो चीज़ निकल रही है. लाइक 27/54 और यहाँ 3 दिया है. इफ़ वी विल डिवाइड 27/9 तो 27 डिवाइड बाय 9 3. It means if we will divide by 9 over here and 9 over here, we will get the answer. 9 3 is 27, 9 6 is 54. So this is what